Green juice to lose weight recipe. Probably many have recommended this juice since its properties are incredible. The time has come to include it in your diet. You have to close the year improving your health and your figure. The reality is that this juice is super fast and practical to prepare. The ingredients are probably already in your kitchen. We know that taking care of your figure is important for your physical and mental health. That is why we gave ourselves the task of investigating a home remedy that helps you lose weight without losing energy. We know that you need to do many tasks during the day. Some people usually have a diet so limited that they feel weak or even get in a bad mood. The wonderful thing about this recipe is that the properties of this drink are an energy injection. If you feel that sometimes you lack the necessary battery to go to the gym or simply to perform your daily activities, you have to give this famous green juice a chance. Before you start preparing this drink, we recommend you to do at least 30 minutes of exercise daily. Your body needs it. By going for a walk or running in the afternoon, you can make a difference in your life. Green juice to lose weight recipe. What you need: a glass of orange juice, a carrot, 2 lettuce leaves, a branch of broccoli, 2 celery sticks. The process: add all the ingredients to the blender. Blend your juice until you get a lump-free mixture. Add ice to taste. Take it in the morning. You will notice results in less than 2 weeks. Please don't forget to like the video, comment and subscribe to this channel and click the bell to receive constant notifications. If you want to learn more about green juice to lose weight recipe, click or tap the link on the right or below this video to download my free ebook, How to Lose 10 Pounds in 10 Days.